In anger, Krishna kicked his legs upward while thinking, "Since you cannot hear my crying, maybe you can hear the sound of this cart breaking. That'll catch your attention." So it's amazing how Vishwanath can enter the minds of all the parishads of Lord Krishna. Tell exactly what they're thinking and exactly what they're saying. This is really being tadatmika with the lila. He did not live 5,000 years ago. Vishwanath Chakravarti lived 1730, 200 years ago. This means that one can become this means by bhajan, by nam bhajan, and by lila smara nam bhajan and lila pravesh, one can enter the lila and become so absorbed in the rasa-filled exchanges of Krishna as eternal associates, nitya parikar, and so much tadatmika with each and every one of the characters that he can understand what they're thinking. Like there are yogis in this plane, material world, they are so perfect in yoga, they can enter the mind of someone and understand what he's thinking.